I stayed longer than I should have, tried to make it feel right. You were distant in the silence, I was holding on too tight. I kept making up excuses for the things you didn't do. Every time I needed something, I was reaching out to you. And I told myself, it's just a phase he's going through. But deep inside, I knew the truth. I gave you the best of me, more than you ever gave. All of my honesty, all of the love I saved. I was there when you needed somebody, you were gone when I needed you. I gave you the best of me. Tell me, what did you do? I don't regret the way I loved you. That's just who I am. But I see it so much clearer now. I finally understand. You were only there for comfort, never there to stay. I was building something lasting. You were drifting day by